Hi, my name is Reznik, and I'm a professor of computer science and computer security at the Rochester Institute of Technology, New York. Please contact me whenever you want by this email, or you can find more information on my website. In this video, I want to talk about my new textbook and the course which is using it, and it's called Intelligent Security System. And the book, which is called, again, Intelligent Security Systems, How Artificial Intelligence, Machine Learning, and Data Science Work for and Against Computer Security, was just published by Wiley IEEE Press. Please take a look at the video. And I need your feedback. I'm planning to put up actually a series of the videos which would give you much more details on different aspects of computer security and artificial intelligence. Before you ask me any questions, I will use this guy. He is very smart, and he will ask some questions too, which I will try to answer. So the first question, is this book or is it the course which I'm going to talk about in this video? And the answer is actually both. Yes, I'm going to talk about the course of Intelligent Security Systems, which I'm teaching currently, and I'm teaching both undergraduate and graduate versions. I'm going to use this textbook, which is just published in those courses. You're welcome to look at my videos, you're welcome to look at my slides, and you're welcome to use my textbook too. The idea of this course and the textbook came up actually for me over those numerous meetings with professionals and industrial advisory boards. And they're talking about our students in computer science and computer security. We do have boost programs at our university, and most schools do have boost programs too. Unfortunately, there is a gap in the knowledge of the graduates in boost programs. The computer science graduates usually specialized in algorithms, and nowadays they're very good in artificial intelligence, machine learning techniques, but they're not trained in applying those techniques in computer security area. Computer security graduates usually have good training and they are very good at applying different security tools, but sometimes they don't have a clear understanding how those tools work and what is behind and what techniques they're using. And because of that, they're not good at designing new tools and maybe even employing the existing one. Based on the request from potential employees, I decided to design a new course which actually crosses those two disciplines and trying to combine them together. I talked to the students asking them what they think about a potential new course. They were very supportive. They were talking that, yes, AI and computer security nowadays are very interesting areas. A lot of students are interested in them. Their potential employers are interested too. So they do want to have this course and this knowledge on their resumes and in their heads. I decided to design this course and to write this book for all the readers and users who might be students in computer security, in computer science, in computer engineering, information technology, and information systems related fields, both undergraduate and graduate students. I hope this textbook and this course and my notes will be very useful to the instructors who either are teaching similar courses right now or are planning to develop those courses and look for the supportive materials to help them. Beyond just education, I was trying to write a book and now I'm talking about book, which could be used as both a textbook and a reference book for computer professionals who want to upgrade the skills in new area of computer security for them, or maybe in new techniques in artificial intelligence. This guy gets confused again. Again, I'm talking about writing this book as both a textbook and a reference book. Again, as it is a textbook, it has certain features, it covers materials for those programs, it has questions, it has exercises, which are listed in the book at the end of each module and the end of each chapter. I want this book to be used as a reference one. Again, it consists of a few modules, a few chapters, which could be used separately, but I'm trying to provide some reference material. Actually, a lot of reference materials. I want it to be used as a reference book so everyone can find easily the material which one needs. At the beginning, I have some kind of reference to all basic concepts and where you can find more materials in the book. This is a book of both computer security and AI. And another small thing which I want to mention right now, in the title, I'm talking about computer security, but in the text, I will be talking a lot about cybersecurity. For me, those terms are very similar, so I'm using those terms interchangeably. I understand that some professionals and some academics could not like it, but again, I was trying to make things just a bit simpler. The book and the course will try to introduce readers into the current state of application of intelligent methodologies in computer science and information assurance system design. Again, I'm interested in talking about different algorithms which could be used to design better computer security systems. And unlike many other books in computer security, I'm trying to spend some time on describing those algorithms, explaining how we can use them and how we can code them. My goal is again to further develop knowledge as well as research and practical skills in the application of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science technique to the area of computer security and information security assurance. I want to repeat again, I mean artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science all together, because I consider techniques and algorithms from all of those areas. So because I'm considering data science, sometimes it goes a little beyond pure artificial intelligence. I believe because of those ideas of filling the gap and crossing the interdisciplinary boundaries, I was able to design a quite unique and interesting course and to write a quite unique and interesting book. The course and the book, again, combine theoretical knowledge and practical skills, develop research, communication, and presentation skills. Again, I'm trying to follow up the federal government guidelines in developing new courses in science and engineering domain. I hope this book could be used widely, including by professionals who might not have a lot of time to go through the whole book, the whole content. I do want to encourage you to do it, but I realize that life is very busy and you might not have that much time, but I want you to be able to find the proper point of entry and the materials in my book and in the course very easily. So that's why, again, in the book, I'm trying to provide some reference points. And at the beginning, I refer to different concepts and I provide some kind of definition, explanation of those big concepts and smaller ones. And I'm talking about the source where I took this definition, and I'm referring to subsections of my book where you can find more information. Of course, I'm not trying to tell you that everyone should read this book for any purpose. Unlike some other books, I'm trying to develop computer security practical and design skills. Probably mathematical foundations are not very strong. I'm not going to go deeper in certain mathematical algorithms and my analysis of those algorithms from the mathematical perspective is not paid a lot of attention. Of course, it depends on the algorithm, but again, I'm either trying to talk about possible applications, coding, and maybe certain features, but sometimes I'm not providing the whole algorithm description and even formulas which those algorithms are based upon. Again, I'm not trying to cover everything in AI and computer security. Again, these are the very hot areas right now. A lot of materials do exist. A lot of books have been already written. I'm not telling you that my book will replace all of those. I have picked up certain areas and certain algorithms which I consider the most important, and I'm trying to concentrate in those areas. Now, as I said, the book consists of 6 chapters, and my course follows the structure up, and it consists of 6 modules. Every module is expected to be taught over about 7 to 10 academic hours. So if the instructor wants to pick up all those 6 modules, probably it will give an instructor standard course length of about 45, 50 hours. So it will cover the whole semester. Each module is further subdivided into micro modules, approximately 1, 2, sometimes 3 hours a week, 3 hours each, I'm sorry. Altogether, the modules will facilitate a rather diverse set of various student activities in this course. The modules are designed to be used in connection with each other, but they could be used separately too. Here is the book structure. In module 1, I'm going to talk about current state of computer security and intelligent techniques to give you some kind of the review of basic concepts, their taxonomy and classification. In chapter 2, I'm going to talk about firewalls, their functionality, architectures, design, and how they use rule system, which actually is foundation of AI in their design and operation. Chapter 2 is devoted to intrusion detection, and again, how those systems are using rules and other machine learning classification techniques. Chapter 4 talks about anti-malware tools. Chapter 5 considers hackers versus normal users, and how we can differentiate between them. And chapter 6 introduces a new topic of adversarial machine learning. I'm going to talk a bit more about each segment in the next part, but now this is the end of my first video. Please give me your feedback. Please click on the like for my presentations if you watch it on YouTube. Tell me if you want to see more presentations on different models, and please leave your comments. And of course, if you want to buy my book, it is available from Wiley or from your bookseller, and you're welcome to use the link below, or you can just go to your bookseller. Are available online too. Thank you very much again, and I hope to see you soon.